Welcome to your daily English listening and speaking practice. In this video, you'll go on a journey through a dream vacation. Listen carefully, repeat each sentence, and try to imagine the story in your mind. This will help you improve your pronunciation, vocabulary, and speaking fluency. Let's begin our journey. I had always dreamed of visiting a peaceful island. One day, I finally decided to make that dream come true. I began planning my trip to Bali, a tropical paradise filled with beaches, forests, and culture. I booked my flight, reserved a small villa near the beach, and packed my suitcase with light clothes, a camera, and a good book. The excitement was real. I couldn't wait to leave the busy city life behind and relax in nature. The flight was long but comfortable. I spent most of the time watching movies and listening to music. When the plane landed, the warm air and smell of flowers welcomed me. I took a taxi to my villa, and along the way, I saw green rice fields, colorful temples, and smiling people. When I reached the villa, I was amazed. It had a small garden, an open bathroom, and a hammock under a palm tree. I knew this was going to be a beautiful trip. The next morning, I woke up early to the sound of birds and waves. After a delicious breakfast of tropical fruits and coconut water, I rented a scooter to explore. I visited a monkey forest, climbed a volcano at sunrise, and took photos of the most breathtaking views. In the afternoon, I relaxed on the beach, watching the sunset paint the sky in pink and orange. Every moment felt like a scene from a movie. I felt completely at peace. One of the best parts of traveling is meeting new people. I met a couple from Canada, a surfer from Australia, and a local guide named Wayan. He taught me how to cook traditional Balinese food, spicy, sweet, and full of flavor. We also visited a local temple where people were praying, offering flowers, and lighting incense. The atmosphere was calm and respectful. I learned to say a few words in the local language and smiled with my hands together to greet the locals. It made the experience more meaningful. After a week of exploring, relaxing, and learning, it was time to go home. I packed my bags with souvenirs, handmade crafts, a small statue, and lots of photos on my camera. At the airport, I felt a mix of happiness and sadness. I was happy because I had lived my dream, but sad to leave such a beautiful place. On the flight home, I reflected on what I had learned, the importance of slowing down, appreciating nature, and connecting with people. Now, whenever I feel stressed, I close my eyes and remember Bali, my dream vacation that became real. Well done! You've just practiced English for 15 minutes while exploring a dream vacation. Remember to listen to this video more than once, repeat the sentences, and try telling your own story in English. Subscribe to our channel for more relaxing English practice. Until next time, keep learning and keep dreaming.